BNB, we start with 1 hour chart. If you refer to our analyzer, since the price was within this move exactly here, we mentioned if we want to look for buy, we have to look for the trade setup. Exactly, this is the correction. This is what we get. And even we have the sharp move similar to give the shadow. All right, that's why I mentioned we shouldn't buy, we shouldn't jump into the trade. And now we start with the higher time frame. We want to see what we have. As we can see, based on daily chart, the price, we had this sharp move, and as we mentioned, we expecting to get the correction. Now we don't have the correction, and the only thing is we can see this shadow here. Okay, can we expect to get the by the next day the price drop a bit more, we get, and by following this we get the correction before we get the continuation, or the price can continue from here? Okay, based on daily chart we cannot confirm, but if we want to trade based on lower time frame, at least we have to get the trade set up before we look for trade, in case this one turns a big correction. Because since we have this sharp move, see, even if we refer to this one, any sharp move following by correction, we have to get the correction for continuation, either here or even the price move higher, we can expect the correction. That's why any trade from now we should have the proper management. Okay, because we don't know what's the next correction, how big it can be. Anyway, and even if you move to forward chart, the only thing is we want to see how complex can be this correction. We're looking for the continuation. All right, and if I move to 1 hour chart, either this is the only correction. I think the best thing is, if you want to look for buy, this one turn to a deeper correction, at least give us one more drop, then from there we look for buy. Because if the price continue from here, how we can buy? The only way we can wait for the sharp move, like, rather than that, having a chip above the top because of this is not a good idea. That's why if this one tend to more, just be here for quite longer time, then it can give us better trade setup. And right now, we don't have any trade setup to look for buy. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any proper trade setup that can confirm for the next move, I will share. Thanks.